Hi everyone, this is Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com, and I just want to bring into view a trade that we've just put on. Why did we put it on? Because we trade what we call the swing machine on an intraday, daily, weekly, monthly basis. The NQ on a 10-minute chart just went short. She's not calculating until she completes the first 10 minutes. We're in the trade now. As you can see up above, we're plus $10. We didn't do it for 10 or 20 bucks. We're hoping to make hopefully a little bit of at least a half day's pay. The time right now, as you can see in the right hand corner, it is March 8th at 1:48. The swing machine is indicating a short position. It is not confirmed here long, and we don't see much selling yet, but we expect to. The NQ is trading at 53.70. The high side of the green is at 53.76. That would represent our stop area. Middle of the green is 53.67, 3 points lower than where we are. The low side of the green is 53.57. We would hope at minimum to get to the low side of the green, and if we can get some selling to come in, hopefully take that out. Now, to give ourselves a further visual, not that we need one when we trade the swing machine, we're using a customized Renko chart that is sized. When you trade Rinkos, the most important thing you can do is get the proper brick size. We have a proprietary system for getting our brick size. Okay, the time now is 2:21 on March 8th. We are up 225. The NQ is up 240. Actually, now we're up 235. You can see, I want to show you real time. Look at the selling coming in. See them push all those bulls out the window, right? The dynamic stops are the pen placements are changing as we speak. I think I had last said that we were headed down. I thought we were down to like 53.50 or so thereabouts, but we still got more room. We're actually at 53.56. And we're at 53.58. That'd be the lowest side. We think that'll get taken out. You can see all the markets are on the low side. When the market corrects, she actually takes out these lows. We've got Amazon tucked in there too. She's almost kind of her own market. You can do this with stocks. So we're just going to watch. There's no reason to come out of here. Just wanted to give you a real-time view. Let me slide this back. And if we watch any kind of chart at all, we like to watch a price chart. And again, this is the Renko with proprietary technologies behind getting the right brick size. Yes, this is a ribbon. There's nothing fancy about the ribbon. You really can't trade the ribbon in and of itself, but it does visually let us know where we've been. We had a high here this morning, a lower high, and now if we can take this out, we'll make a lower low, and we'll shoot on down, and we would hope to challenge this area right here, if not challenge the low of the day at 53.34. That's what we would hope to do, but we're going to try to preserve these profits that we got, and time's only 2:23. So again, I'm Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy. If you like this sort of thing, feel free to follow us. Better yet, feel free to subscribe. Our private members get to see this type of mechanical approach on all the markets, on daily, weekly, and monthly views. We're also available to help people write programs, write full-blown strategies that are back-tested, forward tested, and indicators, and find out what really works. By the way, moving averages, the 50, the golden cross that the rodeo clown talks about, that does not work. We can show that to you. But in any case, we'll be back shortly. You can see live now. The time is about 2:32, and you can see we love price charts because you really get to see these swing points are very meaningful. This is where buyers don't want to buy anymore, and where the sellers come in, and this is where there was a shift last time where the shorts got screwed. So the question now, we got a lower high than here. Are these sellers going to come in and break this area, this swing point? Who's going to win this battle? We still got quite a bit of buying that went on earlier today, so these guys don't want to give it up. If we break this is just intraday, this was intraday today, more or less, then they might give it up and we might get a nice sell-off and a nice trade. The swing machine on my other screen is still showing. I'll just bring this into view. This is how we manage ourselves. Again, this is the NQ 10-minute. Now it's rallying in price. Okay, she's been short for 60 minutes, for 1 hour. She's rallying in price, showing that they're fighting this. The GPS is still long. We'd like to see that short, but we're seeing good buying, or I'm sorry, good selling pressure coming in. Good selling pressure, and you can see it here. We want to see more. On the pen placement, the bottom side of the green, the low side of the green is 53.55. Where are we? 53.58. So that coincides with that number over here. So we got a pretty good handle on this trade, and it's going well. We're going to try to see if we can stick around. If it runs up in here, we don't want to see our profits erode. We will have to yodel and probably contribute to it running back up. Anatomy of an intraday trader. Okay, but this is how we utilize our technology. Much of this has been back tested. Of course, the guts to everything we do is the swing machine. Everything starts with the swing machine, and then we'll go to our price charts, whether it be custom Rinkos, customized case bars. Love case bars. And also customize point and figure. So this trade's still alive, and we will be back. And the time is 2:34. The long trade this morning on the 10-minute swing machine hit a high water mark. It paid out about $470 just on the NQ. Bag is back. It's 2:43, and you can see here this is where the swing machine can really do a fantastic job. Even on a price chart, you can see where the battle is being laid out, right in here. If you're watching on a time chart, though, I don't know, you can become really confused. But when you use the swing machine the way it's supposed to be used, now this is all, on a daily, weekly, it's much easier. But we can see the battle lines right here. This is measuring it out for us very, very closely. So yeah, we got a little bit of buying here, but not much. The majority for us, we actually split it, And so, if we get up to here in green, yeah, we're probably going to lose out on this trade. Lose out, what I mean by we're going to make not nearly as much as we had hoped. Okay, but we're in sync, and the trade is still very much alive. We just got to hammer out this 53.55. So if you see this video, it's March 8th at 2:44. I don't even know what a time chart looks like. I don't need to know. I got my swing machine and I got my Renko. Price is what's important to me right now, not volume, not much of anything else. But you're welcome to go back and look at your time charts and see what you were looking at, and then how do you make a decision when it pauses? If you're running here, running there every time something spikes, that'll catch up with you. That's like trying to cross a highway on foot. We'll be back. I'm back here. I actually I wanted to show you too. This is not seeing the. Let's hold on a minute. I wanted to show you just real quick here. We've got a question about oil. And how is the swing machine doing on oil today on a 10-minute chart? Well, let me show you, folks. We don't, oh, for goodness sakes, why is that guy moving around on me? Don't move around on me. Let me just, here we go. Grab this, and here is oil. Let me scroll down. CLJ, lots of contracts. It went short 23 10-minute segments ago, 230 minutes. That ain't bad. $2,000 short. Look at all that selling, baby. And where is she headed? Low side of the green, 49.98. That would be the place. So she's that trade would be wrapping up. She got up to the high side around 52.19. That ain't bad, right? We'll be back. Hi everyone. Almost fell asleep there. We counted up and now we break. It is 3:32. and we're up $310. As you can see over here, I'm bringing in a view. You see it right here? That's a beautiful thing. 340 short. Here's all the selling, breaking support. So, not every day, do we, that $300 or so. That's about a good 7 iron. And we're going to hang on to this a little bit, and let's see if we can get a 5 iron down here, down the middle of the fairway for about $500, and come back and gather up our clubs and do it again tomorrow. Okay, everybody, we're going to bring this this little shot to an end. I'm going to bring it in here. Here's the swing machine. Okay, and we're going to bang this one out at around 275 or so, thereabouts. Nice little 7 iron. Had a little probably about a 6 iron flush earlier today, and that works. So I don't know about your golf game, but if you're trading game, if you need help reading those greens, you need help sizing up some shots, no matter whatever your time frame, feel free to follow us. Feel free to, better yet, join our little private club. I'm Bag of Don, Stock Market Caddy, and thanks so much. We're going to bang this one out. Thanks. Here we are. I thought I'd just show you as we close this out here. We're getting down to 343. A lot of times, the market, this particular market, has not been selling off into the close. So we thought, that the first time that it does that in a while could get us maybe an extra couple hundred yards, right? It's kind of like hitting one down the middle, and you got a downslope, and you pick up an extra 200 yards. And you say, "Wow, what a 7 iron!" So let me show you this. Let's see if we get it. We're broken here. We are broken, but we're running out of time. The bulls are screaming, "Close the golf course! Close it! We're done for the day!" Yeah, okay. I think that's going to be it. Thank you very much, folks. Again, I'm Bag of Don, StockMarketCaddy.com. If you need some help with your game, need some help with your trading, feel free to follow, feel free to join, and we thank you.